In the garden of whispered dreams, something appeared. With time, his eyes tracing constellations unclear. Questions like echoes in a silent dawn. He asked where strength and shadows belong. Upon the earth I found my fall. Lifted gently, his voice a call. What's the whisper in the ground beneath? I search for signs in nature's sheath. When petals fall, how do they dance? As the river pauses to take a glance. In the tall grass where secrets play, feel the pulse of yesterday. Find your roots and let them show. In the quiet, learn to grow. Can you see the unseen hands he used? In the shadow of time, where doubts bruise. Craft a latch to unlock your gate. Embrace the fortune of